Welcome to our move-in guide, where we'll talk about how to move into your dorm with you. First, you want to go to your check-in location, which you can find on our website linked in the description below.
Hi, how can I help you? Yeah, what's your UNCG ID number?
88123112.
Your student ID number is confidential and should not be shared with anyone.
And what's a good phone number for you?
336-344-5656.
Visit the Spartan Car website to learn how to get your UNCG ID, linked in the description.
Here's your key. Have a great semester.
After checking in, you want to find your residential hall. Use your Spartan card to access the dorms. Then you want to find your room. You can find this information on Artemis. After locating your room, you want to complete the room condition report. Report any small damages to the dorm. To be thorough, because any damages that you do not report that show up at the end of the year will be charged to your student account. Next, you want to locate any amenities like kitchens, vending machines, lounging rooms, or parlors.
Well, Spartans, there you have it. That is our guide to moving in. If you're curious what your dorm might look like, check out our virtual tours right here and have a great rest of your day.